Hi guys, how are you? Alright, now we are going to do equivalent fractions, puzzles and tens. So we have two topics here. One is equivalent fractions puzzles, another one is tens. Okay, if you look at page 22 and 23, okay, you can see equivalent fractions puzzles in page 22 and tens in page 23. Now, alright, now so let's move to the next slide. Okay, equivalent fractions. Now we're going to learn about equivalent fractions here. Okay, I will show you how it works. Okay, now if you realize in page 22 there is no any challenge questions. There is no any exercise. I mean, we have challenge questions, but I don't want you to do any questions. Okay, I'm actually attaching a worksheet for you from that topic, which is equivalent fraction puzzle. Okay, you do your worksheet for the topic from page 22, and you will do questions in page 23 for tens. Okay, challenges questions. I will explain to you in the last slide. Now we are going to look at equivalent fractions here. I will explain each bar now. Example. Okay, now look at the top one. Look at the top one, guys. This is one whole bar. They didn't cut. That is the reason they put one. They didn't put in fractions. If fractions mean they must cut into any parts, but they didn't even cut this bar. So that is the reason they put a whole number 1. Okay, now if you realize here, I put a black color arrows here to show you how 1 over 2, 2 over 4 and 4 over 8 is same thing. Okay, now you have a bar. Okay, you have only one bar, which is this one. Okay, this one. How if you cut this pink color bar into two? If you cut into two, which means you cut into half. So which means if you cut into half, the bar will be like the yellow color bar. Can you see here? If you cut into half, it will be like the yellow color. So which means you will cut here in the middle here. So you will have 1 over 2 here and 1 over 2 here. Why you have 1 over 2? Because out of two parts, that is why you have 2 here. Out of two parts, this bar is only 1. That is why they put 1 over 2. Now, this is 1 over 2, correct? Now, imagine guys, after you cut into 2, you're taking the same bar, which means this part, this bar, you cut into another half. Guys, you are cutting 1 over 2, another half. So when you cut the 1 over 2, another half, it will become 1 over 4. Here also 1 over 4. Why you have 1 over 4? Because after you cut in the middle here, of course you have to cut here also. So how many parts in total? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the reason you have 4 at the bottom. From 4 parts, this is only 1 part. So that is why 1 over 4. Okay, now let me erase this one. Seems quite messy. Okay, now I will show you how we get 2 over 4. Very easy, guys. Now, if you see here, this is 1 over 2, correct? The top one, the yellow color part, 1 over 2. After you cut in the middle, this became 1 over 4 and 1 over 4. Very simple. Just take 1 over 4 plus with another 1 over 4. Will you plus with the denominator? The denominator you shouldn't plus. 1 over 4 you plus with another 1 over 4. Just add the top numbers, which is numerator. So 1 plus 1 you will get 2. Denominator is 4. You shouldn't plus 4. Okay, so 1 over 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2 over 4, which which means this total part 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 2 over 4, correct? Here also the same thing. You look at the yellow bar, 1 over 2. So 2 over 4 and 1 over 2 is the same thing, correct? If you see, the size of the bar is same. The length of the bar is same. So 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 is the same. Now look at the bottom part. How we get 4 over 8 here? And I'm going to explain to you that 1 over 2, 2 over 4 and 4 over 8 is same thing. Now how? Okay, after we cut in the middle, look at the 1 over 4, guys. After we cut in the middle, see, the same cut in the middle. Imagine you're cutting here again and also here, which means you are cutting this part only into 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many parts, guys? 8 parts. That is the reason you have 8 at the bottom here. Why you have 1 here? Because out of 8 parts, this is 1 part. So that is the reason you have 1 over 8 here. Okay. Now, if you see here, when you look at the top bar here, the yellow color bar is 1 over 2, correct? If you look down here, the same size of the bar here is 2 over 4. If you look here, the same size of the bar here, 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Remember, you shouldn't add the denominator. Just add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. You will get 4. So that is the reason you have 4 over 8. Clear, guys? Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Okay, now so this is the fraction wall which I attached for you. Okay, for your extra reference. Okay, if you see here, if you look at the green color part, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3. Why have 3 at the bottom? Because how many green parts there? In total, 3 parts. Understand? If you look at the yellow color bars, we have 4 parts there. So that is why you have 4 as the denominator. Look at the orange color bars. You have 5 because you have 5 parts. That is why you have 5 as the denominator. Same goes to the purple. 6 as the denominator because you have 6 parts. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, we just finished a topic of equivalent fraction puzzle, which is page 22. Okay, now we are going to look at tens, page 23. Okay, guys, this is easy. Okay, if you understand, this is easy to do. Okay, so no need to worry about it. I will teach you how to do it. Okay, now tens is very simple, guys. This is actually a number line. Okay, now if you look here, I will show you. Okay, if you look here, this number is starting with 0. Okay, the last number here is 1. Now tens, guys, tens means the bottom number, which is the denominator, must be 10. So that is tens. Okay, always remember, for tens in the fraction mode, the bottom number, which is denominator, must be 10. Okay, now why you have 1 over 10, 2 over n, 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10, 4 over 10, 5 over 10, 6 over 10, 7 over 10, 8 over 10. After 8 over 10, supposed to be 9 over 10. And the last one, they put 1 there. After 9 over 10 should be 10 over 10. Always remember, denominator and numerator, if both numbers are the same, it's equals to 1 whole. Am I right? Remember, 10 over 10 is equals to 1. 5 over 5 equals to 1. 3 over 3 equals to 1. Okay, recall this. I still remember, I taught you this in class. Okay, now why I have 10 at the bottom? If you realize here, from 0 to 1, okay, from 0 to 1, You have 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. So in total you have 10 parts. So your denominator is 10. Why you have 1 in the middle? Because after one part is 1. After second part is 2. After third part is 3. After fourth part is 4. Understand, guys? Can? Easy? So you're able to do questions from challenge 1, question number 1, and challenge 2, question number 1, right? Able to do, correct? Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Fraction pies. Guys, fraction pies is very easy. Okay, now let me explain to you. If you see in page 23, in the question they mentioned here, 10 children want to share these pizzas between them. Guys, this is challenge 1, question number 2, okay? How many pieces will each of them get? If you look at A, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 10 parts. Guys, 10 parts of pizza, 10 children. So each person will get 1, correct? Okay, now same goes to the blueberry. Blueberry, how many pieces are there? 6 parts. If there are 6 children, each person will get 1. How if there are only 3 children? And we have 6 parts here. But you have to give equal number of parts pizza. So what you should do? Okay, listen carefully. If we have 6 parts of pizza, but you have only 3 children here, so each person will get equal number of pizza. So very simple, guys. 3 children, correct? Okay. Put number 1. Put number 2 here. Put number 3 here. Only 3 children. So the first child will take number 1. The second child will take number 2. The third child will take number 3. We still have another 3 parts there. So very simple. Divide again. 1, 2, 3. So if you realize, number 1 there's a 2, number 2 there's a 2, number 3 there's a 2, which means each child will get 2 parts. Each child will get 2 parts. Clear? Alright, now, so look at apple. How many parts apple are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts of apple pies. And we have 5 children here. So each person will get 1. Peach, 3 parts. 3 children. If you have only 3 children, there are 3 parts of pizza. So each person will get 1. Chocolate, 4 parts. If there are 4 children, each person will get 1. How if there are only 2 children? And we have 4 parts of pies here, a chocolate pie. Very simple. Only 2 children, correct? Put number 1 here. Put number 2 here. Only 2 children, what? After that, put another number 1 here. Put number 2 here. Which means each child will get 2 parts. The child number 1 will get 2 parts. Child number 2 will get 2 parts also. Equal number, correct? Understand, guys? Alright, now let's move to the next slide. Okay, happy trying page 22 and 23. Okay, sorry, happy trying page 22. Page 22, no need to do. I will attach worksheet on that topic. So you do the worksheet and then you do exercises from page 23. Can, guys? Alright. Bye.